Show him, James. Show him.
Okay, guys.
Show 'em.
We're lighting up the big boomer.
We're lighting off the big boomers, the big fireworks. It's going in that cannon.
Get in there. Okay, guys. Here we go.
James, you have to put it on the top. Put it on top, James. James, put it on the top.
Is it still lit?
Yeah.
You think?
He just wasn't putting it on the top. He was putting it on the side. I think we need your lighter over here. It's not lighting. It's not lighting. I need yours.
Here we go, guys. We're gonna launch off another one.
We're launching off 2 more, and I'm doing the videos.
Go, guys, go. Is this the last one?
Last one.
Last one, guys. Last one. Last one, guys.
Can we move it somewhere else?
It's good right there, buddy.
Hold on.
He's making a YouTube video.
Bye.